Hot mahi bite, baby. Alright, just loaded up on bait, bunch of sardines. Had to run about 25 miles, try to get on those snappers. If you want to check Ryan out, check him out on Instagram, FishGod07? FishGod07, check him out on Instagram. Try to get him into YouTube. Alright, we'll be back.
They're crazy looking in the water. Yeah, you gotta get them like that.
All right, guys. Had a little mahi flurry. Got another one on right now. You got two. You got another one on back here. Right here, Andrew. We're out here about 25 miles. Mahi showed up behind the boat. Every cast, all you want.
Can we bring this other one on?
Yeah, bring him up.
He's nice and tired.
Alright guys, we're headed back in. Got a full cooler of mahi. Fished on the bottom for a little bit, a little slow on the bottom. One scamp grouper, a few little other things. Kind of slow. Good thing the mahi came in. Load the box. We're headed in, trying to get in between this rainstorm. See if we can stay dry. Other than that, nice quick trip, in and out. If you like today's action, call us 727-831-0111. CLWfishing.com. Like, subscribe, comment, share. We'll be bringing you more videos, more how-tos. Stay tuned. How was it out there?
Good. Good day out.
Good day out there. Ton of mahi.
Mahi mayhem.
Mahi mayhem.
Clearwater mahi.